Ever wondered if watering plants with soda really makes them grow faster? Time to find out! Picture this. You're at a backyard barbecue, soda can in hand, when you overhear a fellow gardener reveal their secret to vibrant, flourishing plants. It's the fizzy stuff. But before you start pouring cola into your flower beds, let's put this sweet soda myth under the microscope. Science tells us that plants need water, sunlight, and nutrients to thrive. Soda offers water, true, but it also brings along a cocktail of sugar, caffeine, and chemicals. Sounds more like a recipe for plant heartburn, doesn't it? Now this scenario. On one side, a plant sips on crystal clear water. On the other, a plant is forced to guzzle down a sugary soda. Fast forward a few weeks and you'll see who the real winner is. And there you have it, folks. Soda is better off in your tummy than in your plant pot. Now, on to our next myth. Can your sweet nothings make your plants grow stronger? Probably heard it before. The idea that your voice can work wonders on your green friends. People swear by it, claiming that their monologues and serenades have turned their garden into a leafy paradise. What does science have to say about it? According to our resident botanist, plants do respond to certain vibrations, but the sound of human speech doesn't seem to make much of a difference. It's not that they don't appreciate your rendition of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but they're more interested in vibrations that mimic natural environmental sounds, like the rustling of leaves or the buzzing of insects. If you're serenading your succulents, don't expect them to grow into mighty oaks overnight, but don't let that stop you from chattering away. All gardening is about more than just results. It's about the joy of the process. So save your sweet talk for someone who can appreciate it, not your fern. Ever thought ice cubes could be the CPR your wilted plant needs? Let's see if that's really the case. Common myth suggests that an ice cube can revive a wilted plant, providing a slow release of water that the plant can absorb. But let's get down to the root of the matter. In truth, the cold temperature of ice can shock plant roots, causing more harm than good. Are accustomed to moderate temperatures, and sudden cold can damage their cells. Furthermore, the gradual melting of an ice cube doesn't necessarily provide the appropriate amount of water a plant needs. More effective method would be to water your plants regularly, ensuring the soil is moist but not soaked. So, while it's a cool idea, using ice cubes to revive your plants can leave them out in the cold. As you can see, it's best to leave the ice cubes for your summer drinks, not your poor plants. And there you have it, some of the most popular gardening myths busted. Wrapping up, we've seen that soda isn't the secret elixir to supersize plants. Sorry, cola enthusiasts. And whispering sweet nothings to your ferns? Well, they might appreciate the sentiment, but they're not growing any faster because of it. Also explored the ice cube theory, and it turns out that it's not the magic cure for wilted plants. Who would have thought? But let's not forget the importance of these experiments. They're not just for fun. They're about uncovering the truth in a world full of garden folklore. Whether you've been a green thumb for years, or you're just starting to explore the joys of gardening, remember, science trumps myth every time. We hope you've enjoyed our myth-busting journey. Remember, when it comes to gardening, it's best to stick to the facts and not the myths. Happy gardening!